must be our friend Raza. Raza, I'm sorry, but our friendship must come to an end.
He conquers.
Okay, Yinsen, I'm heading your way. Yinsen, what's going on?
They're coming. You have to leave now.
No, that's ridiculous. I'm coming back.
There are many stock weapons in this cave.
Yinsen!
Start gunship launch detected near Hangar 3, sir.
Hey, have they paid for that?
Unknown, sir. It's arming weapon systems. Suggest immediate action.
Damn, that's my baby. And she doesn't mess around.
Drones are dispersing and attacking civilian targets, sir.
Damn it! I can't stop both of them at once.
Has launched a drone, sir. Launching now, sir. Civilian casualties reported.
Damn. All this for weapons. Pepper, you alright in there? Pepper, you okay? Pepper? Pepper! You know, Jarvis, I think Maggia didn't just sell these guys weapons. They must be working with them. Okay, now I'm sure.
Unit has heavy armor and multiple weapon pods. Suggest targeting exposed weaponry.
Finally, a challenge.
U.S. military aircraft incoming, sir.
What are my options?
Payloads are Stark Sparrow missiles.
The irony kills me.
Only options are to engage or surrender, sir.
Surrender? Are you kidding?
Target is within range.
Yeah, I see him. Patch me through.
Contact established.
Who is this?
Good to see you again, Scarlotti.
Wait a second. Tony Stark!
Got a new resume? Maybe we can give you a second chance.
You son of a bitch! My work helped make you rich! You should have never fired me!
You were stealing pens. Whoa! Trying to give me whiplash?
Haha! Very funny, Stark. You always were too cocky, Stark.
Oh, you've been talking to your sister? You know, you're not very discerning with your clients, Scarlotti.
We don't judge our clients. It's not good for business. You could learn a thing or two from us.
Yeah, well, I'm not much into genocide, Scarlotti.
You've made enemies recently, Stark. You don't know what you're getting into.
Teach me how to play nice, Scarlotti.
You're digging your own grave, Stark!
Don't worry, you're in my will.
You think you can stop us here? We're everywhere! This is nothing!
No worries, I'm just getting started.
Man, you're a hell of a pilot, Tony. You ever think about joining the military?
Brody, you know I'm allergic to brass.
So what now?
I'm gonna finish what I've started.
Sir, the armor appears to be working from a very limited onboard battery, charged by exposure to high-intensity radiation.
Enough of this nonsense. You die now.
What the hell is going on here?
It's another attack. I thought we stopped all this.
You've got to be kidding me. You're still around?
We warned you. We told you to walk away. You should have listened.
Pepper, I want you to get everybody out of here. Now!
Okay, Tony. You're not planning anything crazy, are you?
Define crazy.
You interfered, Stark. Now, we're going to bury you.
Tony, what's your status?
Polsky's launching an attack on Stark Ninjas. Well, on me, actually.
It's aimed, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're not gonna believe this. Everyone's gone already.
Nice job, Pepper. Remind me to give you a raise.
It wasn't me. Obadiah sent everyone home already.
What? Where is he?
I don't know.
Get him on his cell.
I have Obadiah on the line.
Patch him through.
Okay, hold on.
Hello, Tony.
Did you know that?
I've been in business a long time, Tony. I have vision.
This is not business, it's war.
Same thing. Excuse me, Tony. You've caught me at a bad time.
Damn! Pepper, I lost Obadiah. Get him back.
I'm only getting voicemail.
Keep trying.
Polsky's suit is still operational, sir.
Could it recharge?
Yes, sir. If he can reach a strong power source.
That's not going to happen.
His suit can recharge to almost full capacity in a short time period.
I said it's not going to happen.
What in the world is he doing?
It's like he can recharge his suit by tapping into the city's electrical grid.
Sounds bad.
Yeah, they need better engineers.
Sir, you will have a greater chance of success if you destroy potential recharge stations.
Not to mention crippling the city. That includes hospitals.
Well, let's call that plain.
Power generators identified, sir.
Show me.
Polsky can utilize the city's power grid at 4 locations. A refinery power plant, a downtown power transformer, a set of residential wind turbines, and a power storage facility on the waterfront. Power station destroyed.
Can't you find another way?
I'm just trying to survive, Pepper.
Polsky's armor has been compromised. He needs to recharge.
No one betrays us and survives. Who do you think you are, Stark?
Oh, I don't know. Billionaire playboy genius? You tell me.
Wrong. You're a subcontractor. A low-rate vendor. You serve men like us. Just take our money, build our weapons, and stay ignorant.
I don't serve any.
You are a child. You think life is simple, easy? It is not. Your boss understands that.
Stain.
Stain worked with us. But even he couldn't give us what we need, so now we will take it.
Power station destroyed.
Tony, you
I know, Rhodey, I know. He's retreating, Rhodey.
stay with him.
You should have just played ignorant.
Power station destroyed.
You're putting a lot of innocent lives at risk.
It's my only chance, Pepper. Choppers, friends of yours, Rhodey?
Sorry, pal. Have fun with that.
Stay down this time, Polsky. Pepper, is Obi at the office?
No, I haven't seen him anywhere. What's going on?
That's what I want to know. He's done his disappearing act again. If you see him, throw a bag over him or something.
You're not coming back to the office?
Don't worry, I'll be there soon.
Proton Cannon targeting civilian population.
Jeez, can't anyone be original? It's always about killing innocents.
It does provide a tactical advantage, sir. Target is within range.
It's Horgan. Time to end this little spat.
Proton Cannon is now online.
We can't defend against that.
I know, I got it.
So, the cannon is likely vulnerable to Horgan's own weapon.
Okay, that's ridiculous. If I can't even scratch it, then why would he?
Having Horgan damage his own weapon is the best strategy available, sir.
They've done it. They have a power source.
What?
Horgan's technology, microwave.
No. AIM recently launched a tethered satellite. I remember something about a solar collection grid.
That's it. Time to end this.
I'm not giving anything up. I did what I had to do to save your father's company.
No. You crossed the line, Obi. Dad never would have gone along with any of this.
Your father
Understood business. This is beyond you.
business.
This is insanity.
Insanity is thinking you could build these weapons and then look away when people use them. This is the real world, Tony. It's time you started living in it.
You know what? This is a waste of time. I'm not letting you do this.
You seem to think you hold the cards here, Tony. Miss Potts would probably disagree.
What?
Did you think I wouldn't find out what she was doing?
If you hurt her,
Don't force my hand, then.
doesn't have to be this way, Obadiah. But I am coming for Pepper.
You always do what you want, Tony. I'll do what I must.
Pepper, have you seen Stain? Pepper? Pepper, talk to me, Pepper.
Tony, Stain's here. He's sealed off the building.
Hold on, Pepper. Keep your head down. I'll be right there.
Tony, we're moving all the residents out of the city. We don't want any collateral damage when we move in on Stain.
Thanks for handling crowd control, Brody. Stain.
Damn. Didn't have to end like this, Tony.
Where's Pepper?
It's your safety I'd be worried about, Tony.
For God's sake, Obadiah, it's Pepper.
You set the ball rolling, Tony. This is the result.
Gee, not exactly a whiz at the controls there, Obi.
I don't need to be.
Your suit is no good, Stain.
Then help me improve it, Tony.
Tony, look out!
You've never experienced war, have you, Stain?
Not bad, my boy, but not nearly good enough.
Keep talking, Stain.
Corporations are the future, Tony. And Stark Industries, the vanguard.
Get out of there!
Do you think that hurts, Tony?
Just getting you where you need to be, old man.
Yeah, he's gonna feel that.
Let's hope so.
Tony, I didn't want this.
We've both been wanting this, Obadiah. You know, if you're gonna copy me, at least try to do a decent job.
I taught you everything you know, Tony. End of the line, Tony. Destruction, Tony, is all a part of nature. Loving the suit, Tony. How ironic. Here you are trying to rid the world of weapons, and you give it one of its best. And now, I'm gonna kill you with it. You never really did come home, did you? You left a part of yourself in that cave, and it breaks my heart. You had one last golden egg to give. Do you think that just because you have an idea that it belongs to you? Your father gave us the A-bomb. What do you think it would be like today if he was as selfish as you? This is the Ninth Symphony. This is a legacy of a new generation of weapons, with this suit at its heart. This will put the balance back into the right hands. I'm gonna take you down, Tony, you and your suit. You're trying to stop progress. It can't be done. You built the greatest weapon ever seen. Who are you to keep it to yourself? Punished for their virtues. Around a hero, everything becomes a tragedy. There is a wantonness of goodness that strongly resembles malice. If there is no immortality, there is no virtue. Nothing so becomes a man as modest stillness and humility. Assume a virtue if you have none. Nothing emboldens sin so much as mercy.
He's coming for you.
That's gonna leave a mark.
I've located a weakness in Stain's suit. You must engage at close proximity.
What, give him a hug?
That is the only way, sir.
Bleh.
Oh, man.
I can't see him. Where is he? Why did you make me do this, Obadiah?
Tony?
Pepper, are you okay?
I'm fine. Where's Obadiah? Is he...
I don't know. Jarvis, got anything?
Negative, sir.
Tony! There are alarms going off all over the place.
Pepper, listen to me. We got big problems. The arc reactor is melting down.
What do we do?
I need you in the control room.
Okay, headed there now.
AIM reinforcements arriving now, sir. I suggest you hurry.
I'm here, Pepper. The reactor is going to blow. I need you to shut off all the power conduits except the ones leading to the roof. I'll destroy the regulators.
Okay, got it.
Regulator destroyed. 3 remaining. Regulator destroyed. 2 remaining. Regulator destroyed. 1 remaining. Final regulator destroyed, sir.
Now, Pepper!
He's gone, Tony.
The man who embraces his heroic nature pays a terrible price. He sees the darkness in the world and in his own heart, and is forever changed. The child gives way to the man. And the day comes when he must ask himself, what kind of man will I be? Am I willing to die on my feet? Or will I live my life on my knees? Do I have what it takes to become truly great? To become more than a man? To become Iron Man?